Hi guys, this is 2013 VW Golf. It's a 5G1 model. So this car I'm going to do today for the replace for the gearbox oil, and there's a mechatronic oil in this side. They have two type of transmission fluid, DSG. So this one going nearly 1.7 liter for the gearbox side, and we got another one in here. This one for the mechatronic, the front of transmission. They have two types in oil, the transmission. So this is the mechatronic transmission in the front. They have a number 5 millimeter in the Allen key in here. It's getting number 5. Okay. And we got another DSG oil, the transmission, the back is that is a number 10. Okay, so this one we have to measure the oil before the removing. So this for the mechatronic side for the filling plug, you can see in here. Let's need to the starter motor. Get rid of this cover and this connector. This one is a little bit tight, you have to wiggle it. It's a little cup, you can see in here. There's a mechatronic, the filling plug. You can see in here. This one is the DSG transmission, the feeder plug, this cap, okay. So I'm going to off the first mechatronic oil. It's a number 5 Allen key, and we go with the cup. I collect all the fluid in this container. Well, good. That's it. Okay, I've got to put back in the nut. So we measure nearly 750. So I'm putting in new oil, maybe 800. Okay. Okay, guys. So we're going to measure the oil. When you get it out, you put this little bit up amount. Yeah, that's enough. I put little bit more than 800, so that's enough. Before we take it out, like 750, another 50 mil I put a little bit more add. Okay guys, we're going to add the mechatronic fluids. You can very slowly. Okay guys, you're going to put the last bit. Okay guys, we fill the oil, the mechatronic. So I'm going to put the bung back. Yeah, it's okay. Okay guys, we go off the second gearbox oil. Okay guys, and after that let's put back the bung. Guys, we put the funnel in here to the DSG oil. Okay guys, I got the 1 liter first. Okay guys, finally we start the car. Car's running fine. So this is how we change the mechatronic coils and the gearbox oil. So this is in the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you next time.